Hello friends, welcome to our channel Neon Forge. Today we can see how we can prepare lemon pickle. The ingredients are, I have taken around 10 to 12 lemons, mustard, fenugreek seeds, asafoetida powder, salt and chili powder. Now let's go into the procedure. First we need to boil some water and we need to add the lemon into the boiled water. We need to keep it for 5 minutes. I will keep it covered, then we can take it out. After keeping the lemons in the boiled water for some time, we can take it out and we can transfer it to a bowl. We need to wipe this lemons dry and we need to cut it. I have cut the lemons which were boiled and dried into small pieces. Then next we have to fry the mustard and the fenugreek seeds. When the tawa is heated, we need to put in the mustard and the we need to fry them and blend it in the blender. Mustard and fenugreek seeds are natural preservatives which will keep the pickle good for a very long time. The mustard seeds started to splutter. We can add the fenugreek seeds also, and when it turns aromatic, we can switch off the flame and we can blend it in the blender. Now the seeds have started to splutter and it has turned aromatic. We can now switch off the flame and we can blend it in the blender after cooling it. I have prepared the mustard and fenugreek blended in the blender, and next process is we need to mix everything. I have taken a bigger tawa for mixing. We need to put it into this tawa. Then we need to add, I have taken about 4 tablespoons of chili powder, around 4 to 5 tablespoons of salt, and then we can add the blended powder. We need to mix well. I have mixed the powders and it is started to getting soaked. Next what we need to do is seasoning. So I will be placing a smaller tawa and we need to season it with mustard oil and asafoetida powder. So we'll pour some oil. When the oil is heated, we can put in the mustard seeds and the powder, hing powder. I have taken out from the flame as it is should not get too much spluttered or blackened. We need to pour the seasoned oil into the mixture. Lemon pickle is now ready. In 5 to 8 days it will get properly soaked. We can add more chili powder and salt if needed later on also. I will transfer it to a bowl. The lemon pickle is now ready. It can be served as a side dish with curd rice and chapati. Hope you all like this preparation. Your suggestions and comments are welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.
Within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle.